Can I make sure there's no tapes in there though?
Yeah, yeah.
One of them was for my attorney. When
Yeah.
I bought the one because actually, let me look at, because I don't want any kind of info to leak out.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
I used to buy them for the pieces, because some of the pieces, but then I just got where I didn't put it up $1. I'm sorry, babe? Yes, yes they do. But it looks really good. It's an old-fashioned one, but it actually looks better than some of the ones I got now. I need to take it back in there.
Morning, how are you?
Good morning, how are you, sir?
Good, thanks.
Good.
How much you have on all this wrestling stuff here?
I'm selling it individually.
Uh-huh.
It's not one price.
Okay.
The big book is $10.
Okay.
And the magazines, I want 3 apiece. The cards, all the cards there you can have for, I don't know if they're valuable.
Yeah, neither.
$10 for all the cards.
Okay.
I know that my son played with, like I said, I don't know if they're valuable, but I have a guy that comes, actually he came early and I sent him away, but he comes for all my wrestling stuff.
Uh-huh.
I was hoping he'd be back by now, but I don't know if they're valuable. But
Sure.
he's got like 300, but I ain't selling them, 300 wrestling figures over here in a tote.
Oh, really?
But I can't part with them.
What you got in this bag right here?
Those all are, I'll take 15 because those are all really good workers and they're expensive. One of them I paid like almost $50 for. I guess it's separated in case somebody didn't want them all. Actually, that tiny one in there is the one I spent the most on. That's more of an old-fashioned. But if you're just interested in like one of them, the directions are the one I spent like $50 on. The directions are in there, I believe.
I'll take them all.
Can I make sure there's no tapes in there though?
Yeah, yeah.
One of them was for my attorney. When
Yeah.
I bought the one because actually, let me look at, because I don't want any kind of info to leak out.
Sure.
'Cause you know how that is.
Yeah.
Wipe it off of here, I'm sure. But this one had a little tape in it.
I'll clear them right away if there's anything on the... Okay.
Or this thing.
Right on.
Tape. Yeah.
The
player works.
DVD player. Let me see 3,000.
For your clothes?
The North Face is 10, and everything else is just like $3. Like that's $3 for the flamingo. That's actually a swim cover-up. I don't know if it's a swim, but I guess you can wear it for whatever.
No, our youth group is called the flamingos.
Oh.
So I honestly was getting this for our youth pastor.
Oh my gosh, how funny is that?
I just thought that's kind of it. I thought
Yeah. That's cute. It just needs a little iron, I think, but it's cute.
Yeah, the girls, they told the girls to come up with a name, and that's what they did.
Right. Bentley, quiet, honey.
Okay, I got the recorders, the Wild West set for 8.
Well, let me add, because I did.
Okay.
Okay. Did you not want the recorder over there, that thing? The DVD?
No,
Oh, okay, I got
I'm gonna pass on that.
So 50, and I said 10 for all these.
Yep.
25, and whatever 8 is. 25.
33.
Yeah, I'm sure you're. Yes.
I think so. There you go.
Thank
33.
you.
Thank you. You have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Alright guys, we are back from just a little quick hit garage sale. Prices were a little over the top in my opinion as far as garage sales go, but for the 33 bucks that we spent, I still think there's enough room to make a decent little profit. So real quick, let me show you what I picked up to resell. These wrestling cards here were a complete shot in the dark. At 10 bucks, it seemed a little high, but I figured that was my chance to learn a little bit about wrestling cards. And when I started going through them, I did find that there was a Hulk Hogan rookie card, which prices seem to be all over the place, but this can sell for decent money. I'm guessing just like all cards in general, condition is going to make or break it. But I mean, I've seen these sell for in the hundreds, and I've seen them sell for as low as 10 bucks. So worst case, we're going to get our money back with this Hulk Hogan card and hopefully make a little profit with it too. There was also these 3 Hulk Hogan cards, not nearly as valuable, and I just pulled out Junkyard Dog because he was my favorite wrestler as a kid. But then there's all these too that I can lot up in some way and hopefully turn a profit that way. But it was pretty cool to find the Hulk Hogan 1985 rookie card. I found a bag of handheld recorders. It was $15 for the entire bag. They're all Olympus brand. 1 pearl quarter micro cassette and 2 digital recorders. This kind of stuff I always sell on Amazon because the prices are much higher. Like I said, I paid 15 bucks for this, and I think the lowest prices now are somewhere around 60 to 70, 50 to 60, and like 25 to 30. So this was definitely a decent little find, especially considering I'm going to sell them on Amazon and try to get top dollar for them. The last thing, there were all these figures in a bag here. It was marked as a Wild West action set for $8. I pulled out a couple of the horses, and I may pronounce it wrong, but I saw the brand name Schleich. I think it's Schleich. It's like a German toy brand. These 3 horses and this figure here, they're all that brand. So that's why I decided to pop on this, because I know that that brand can do pretty well. So it turns out that this figure goes with this horse, and this set here actually sells for between 30 and 40 bucks for itself. So there's definitely our money, so that's awesome. And these 2 horses I think sell for maybe around 10 bucks. So there's 2 of those, they're both identical. So there's another 20 or so hopefully. And then all these leftover toys come from a brand called Papo, I think. And they actually do pretty well all lotted up. I think these are from something called the Wild West series. So I'll see if there's anything valuable by itself. If there is, I'll sell it separately, and then I'll lot everything else up. So we'll definitely turn a profit with all this stuff, and it turned out to be not a bad little stop. So awesome. So that was everything I picked up at that sale. Like Like I said, not too bad at all. But that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.